better than G4. So you can see you can tell me here that's pre. It's only 2 seconds, right? Then we have the high power. That means 1,200, and we can actually change the curing time 10 seconds, 15 seconds, 20 seconds. And finally, we have the T turbo. 5 seconds is fixed. Yeah. So now, when I cure the first 5 seconds.
First, I'd like to explain to you is about this.
Second. How many times can I do that?
Okay. You know, we have a
3. But I want to do a 4th time. Here's 4. I want to do a 5th time. It works.
What's the difference?
It shouldn't work actually.
It should cut off.
Somebody manipulated the device. So you have to be careful.
Yes.
The turbo, actually, because you should not overdo it, right? It's 2,000 milliwatts per centimeter square. For 5 seconds cure. Now, look at the light, guys. What can you see? I can see a light guide. What kind of light guide is this? Is this a turbo? Is this a turbo light guide? What is a turbo light guide? What is a turbo light guide? Turbo means you have a higher diameter here than it has here. In other words, it's tapered. And this is a lot of manufacturers do that to push up the irradiance on a paper, right? Because you have to be concentrated. The problem is that with a turbo light guide, you have a lot of light dissipation actually. Yeah? So your light dissipation goes like that. So you lose a lot of energy at the distance. With a parallel wall, this one is parallel wall, you get more homogeneous light distribution at the distance. Yeah? So, and this one also is quite good for posterior. And how to find out, this one here is, by the way, this Bluephase meter 2. And I told you we can adjust the diameter, because for accurate measurement we need to have this is of course the energy is calculated to the cross section. Now this one is a template, very easy. You can go in here from here to here, and when it got stuck, it means it's 10 millimeters. Yeah? So if I have a smaller diameter, it will get stuck here, and a larger diameter gets stuck here. It's very easy. So I can actually enter here plus and minus. You can see I can go for 10 millimeters, and then I can directly measure this. Maybe I can measure the pre. It's always important to go really that it's really perpendicular. Keep it stable. 830. Okay, this one. That's for the pre means for the excess resin cement to be pure. Yeah. So this was a universal radiometer, not only for Bluephase but for any kind of curing line. Good. Also, it has a kind of magnetic. You can see. It just slides in there easily. You can try.
Will you drop down?
Huh?
Will you drop when you turn the other way, the tip? Or is it very tight usually?
No. You can try.
Oh.
That's why we do touch and feel. It kind of slides, and then it's going like that.
Okay. Pretty.
There's magnetic inside. Huh? And otherwise, you don't have any like evacuation slits or something, so it's easy for cleaning. Yeah. It also has the battery here, so we also have the click and cure that we have here. For the handpiece, you can make this a corded one. So when you find out the battery is running off, with other curing lights you have to wait and maybe or have another battery. But this one you can make it a corded one. We call it click and cure. Yeah.
Can it be used with the earlier version for the corded?
No.
No. So this is only for N4.
That's right.
Oh, okay.
So this one, yeah. But what we also have is we have a pinpoint curing. It's a 6 and 2 millimeters, so it's very thin, and that's great for fixing the veneers. You know, normally when you have veneers and you have to remove the excess, you have to be very careful that it doesn't move. So the assistant has to hold it somehow while you are actually removing the excess. So that's why I like this kind of pinpoint tip. You just exchange with a new tip, and then you can just cure on one point, just this area. You kind of freeze or fix the veneer. So you only cure here in this point, and the excess is still soft. So now the veneer cannot move anymore. It's a very, in my opinion, the most elegant way to fix veneers. So, but that is a separate tip. You have to order separately. It's not in that package. Yeah. Other than that, the light guide has a radiometer and so on.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, we just applied some end flow. Let's say bulk fill. Why is it so yellow?
Photo
Why so
initiator.
yellow? Huh?
Photo initiator.
Yes. Which ones?
Oh.
What material is this?
Citric end flow.
Camphorquinone, is it?
This one is actually this one.
Yeah.
That's camphorquinone and ivosarin. Yeah.
Yeah.
When we cure it, it will disappear because the catalyst will break down into free radicals and it will be kind of consumed. Yeah, like that.
Now,
Is it also about 60% immediately after you cure the conversion, or what is the rough percentage?
Yeah, it's not more than 60%.
Not more than 60. Okay, but it's still hard enough to be used immediately.
Yes. I mean, we are far away from 100% anyway for all of the process. Yeah?
And how long after that it will cure and become more converted? Is it like 1 day?
So you have you have a few minutes after curing. You have about 98% or 99%.
Oh wow! Okay.
And then the remaining curing will go on to 24 hours afterwards, the post-gel curing.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
So Michael, question. The bulk fill, we have Ivoclar. Do they also have the camphorquinone and glycerin inside? Or at least camphorquinone? They are a mixture of Ivoclar and camphorquinone?
So for the standard Enserum, we don't have ivosarin.
But what about bulk fill?
Bulk fill, yes, we have both. We have camphorquinone
inside there.
and ivosarin. Yes. Yeah. So you know how much is 1 kilogram of ivosarin?
You mean
It's more than 20,000 euro, 1 kilogram. Yeah.
So you buy from other suppliers?
No.
They synthesize that.
Or you synthesize?
Size, but we have to. I don't know exactly the calculation. What is it more the material cost or the labor cost? I don't know, but it's pretty. Actually, the terbium trifluoride is also quite expensive.
Did you even provide?